Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add liquidity on Pancakeswap. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, in the browser, you will have to scroll down and then tap on Pancakeswap. After waiting for some time, you will be redirected on pancakeswap.finance where you are going to see a bunch of different options in the top. Now over here, you will have to make sure that you have successfully connected your Trust Wallet to Pancakeswap. Now once it is connected successfully, you need to tap on Liquidity tab in the top. Here you will be able to see your liquidity and you will be able to see the list of your liquidity positions. Now over here, you need to tap on Add Liquidity and then you will be shown this type of page where you will be asked to choose the token pair. Now over here you will have to select the token that you want to use in the liquidity pool. After selecting the token pair, you just have to scroll down and then you can select the percentage as 10%, 20%, 50% or the full range. Your position will not earn fees or be used to trades until the market price moves into your range. So over here you will have to enter the amount of token that you want to add into the liquidity pool. After that, it will show you the conversion in the different token. Then you need to tap on Enable Cake in the bottom. After that, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to add liquidity on Pancakeswap. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.